one, one is done. Two, right, two, two is done. Three, right, three, three is done. Four, right, four, four is done. Five, right, five, five is done. Six, right, six, six is done. Seven, right, seven, seven is done. Eight, right, eight, eight is done. Nine, right, nine, nine is done. 10, right, 10, 10 is done. 11, right, 11, 11 is done. 12, right, 12, 12 is done. 13, right, 13, 13 is done. 14, right, 14, 14 is done. 15, right, 15, 15 is done. 16, right, 16, 16 is done. 17, right, 17, 17 is done. 18, right, 18, 18 is done. 19, right, 19, 19 is done. 20, right, 20, 20 is done. Write number one, just like this. Draw a line, it's full of bliss. Two, two, two. Write number two, nice and round. Curve at the top, down to ground. Three, 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 three. Write number three like two hills high. One on top, one nearby. Write number four, straight and neat. Make a cross, then a line complete. Write number five, start from top. Curve and line, don't you stop. Six. Write number six, round like a loop. Circle at bottom in one swoop. Seven, seven, write number seven, straight then slide. Across the line, enjoy the ride. Write number eight like two small balls. Stack them up, now that's all. Write number nine, a circle and line. Start at top, finish fine. Write number one, then numbers all. Great job, kids, now you know.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.
Bye bye.